Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set the elimination effects on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that you need to do is make sure you already log in into the Mobile Legends. After you log in, you can click the prep option over here, and then you can click the Evac option, and then over here you can over here is a notification, spawn, recall, elimination, trail, secret statue, emote, gravity, and action. And if you want to change or set the elimination effect, you can choose the elimination, and over here you can choose the elimination effect over here. This is the default from the Mobile Legends, and this is the effect that I get from the event. And to use this effect to all heroes, you can select this plus over here, and then choose the select all over here, and then click OK and finish. And here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have questions about this video, you can simply write on the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.